Florida regulators take more steps to sort out the state's continuing property insurance crisis.
If your home is covered by state-backed Citizens Property Insurance Corporation, you may soon find your policy is getting pulled and sent to another private company, which could cost you even more money potentially. After Hurricane Idalia battered Florida's Big Bend and other places, and Florida state regulators approved proposals made in July by 7 private insurers to take thousands of policies away from Citizens.
And if you're one of those customers, your premiums are likely going up. Investigative reporter Terry Parker joining us now with how this could impact all homeowners. Terry?
Felicia and Todd, so many of our viewers had to get insurance with Citizens in the past years that the state-run insurance company of last resort is now overwhelmed with almost 1.4 million policies. So this move is to take the pressure and risk off of Citizens and ultimately try to stabilize the entire insurance market. The damage estimates from Hurricane Idalia are still being assessed, but soon 7 new companies will be plucking policies from Citizens Insurance and offering to take them over. It's called depopulation and is designed to help the state-run company deal with the overwhelming numbers of policies it picked up as private insurers fled the market in recent years.
So, the bottom line is they have to do something because they just don't have the resources to underwrite, service, and manage, to 1 million plus policies.
The private insurers will effectively be able to choose which policies they want, likely going for the least risky and most profitable. And if a private company offers to take over your policy and is charging you more, but still less than a 20% increase over what you're paying now, you can no longer be insured by Citizens. That's due to a change approved by the governor and lawmakers in December as part of an incentive package to make the state more enticing to private insurers. Insurance broker Gregory Buck says the takeovers by the private companies may mean better options for everyone in a few years.
Eventually what happens is as these takeout companies come into the state of Florida, eventually they turn into companies that actually write new business in Florida typically.
And the new insurers could be taking over policies by late November. Now, you're not obligated to accept a company's offer, so you should talk to your insurance agent and figure out what the best move is for you if you do have to quit Citizens. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.